Supply chain management, as more and more companies are looking at it today, is not something we do by accident. It's not something we do on the side. Supply chain management is a philosophy within our organization. In fact, more and more organizations are finding that they actually need a senior level person, an executive, in charge of their supply chain. So let's be clear on what we mean by a supply chain. A supply chain, at a very minimum, is you, your supplier or suppliers, in most cases there's multiple, and your customer or customers. So you have three different elements. From you to your customer is upstream. From you back to your supplier is downstream. So we have to make sure that we have clear communication. We agree with our suppliers as to what our needs specifically are, so they can work at satisfying them. We look at the relationship between us and our customer to make sure we can satisfy what they need. Quality, on-time delivery, customer service, meeting specifications. But also we take it a step further. To really have a good, solid supply chain that over time can lead to optimizing the results for our company, we need to also be concerned about our supplier, going one level further downstream, and even our customer's customer, going one more level upstream. Why is this important? Because unless we are concerned with and clearly communicate to our supplier, our own supplier can have a problem that they did not anticipate, that should have been avoided, whether it's timing or quality or pricing or anything else. And the same thing when we're satisfying our customer, to know what their customers' needs are, again, one more level upstream, allows us to make sure we develop a collaborative relationship. We're not in competition. In today's world, we have to work together, whether you call it a joint venture or a collaboration or a partnership. We must work with all levels of our supply chain. Again, from our supplier to our supplier, to us, to our customer, and our customer's customer. That clear communication allows us to more regularly meet everyone's expectation, so we have the highest level of efficiency and effectiveness with the least amount of waste and the highest bottom line.